Hi friends, this is Naveen and you are watching FinCourse YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fill CA final examination form in ICAI exam portal. Let us start the process. So see here, this is the home page of ICAI exam portal. I will provide the link in the video description. You can go through it. So go to the login section and enter your student registration number and your password. After that, click on login. So see here, this is the dashboard of ICAI exam portal. So see here, apply online for final new option is there. So beside that, apply now button is there. So click on apply now and pop-up will appear. Here it will show you the personal details and contact details. So if you once check everything and if you want to change anything, please change it. Otherwise, scroll down and click on save details. So once you click on it, pop-up will appear. So these are the pre-requirement for filing of CA final examination form. Once read it and click on OK, the examination form will open. So see here, first medium update. So English I am selecting. After that, region of examination center, that is north, south, west, east or central. Select it and name of the examination center and select here, select your examination center. After that, group applied, select if you are applying for both groups, select both, or first group, select first, or second, enter second. So I am here selected first group. After that, old article registration number, so leave it. After that, initial date of registration / date of conversion to final course. So here you have to enter your CA final registration date, or in case if you are converted from CA final old course to new course, enter the conversion date. So I am here entering the CA final registration date. So after that, personal identification pin. This is very important here, personal identification number. So this pin will be required when you are checking your results. So enter the 4-digit number. So after that, articleship details. So here you have to select if your articleship are completed, select completed. Or in case if you are serving the last 6 months of your articles, select not completed. So if you select not completed, you are required to mandatory fill your principal details. So if your articleship completed, so then principal details is optional. So my articleship was completed, so I am selecting completed. So after that, enter your articleship details, commencement date of your articles. So I filled my articleship details. So my articleship was completed, so I don't need to enter my principal details. After that, upload scanned image of declaration or certificate of service. Here you have to upload the declaration of certificate. I will provide the format of declaration in the video description. You can please go through it. After that, do you want to change photo and signature? So in case if you want to change your photograph and signature, so tick it. So if you tick it, you need to take the printout of the application and you need to paste your passport size photo as well as sign it and get the application attested by any ICAI member, and that signed application you need to send to the ICAI Delhi examination department, or ICAI has provided some addresses where you can physically submit the signed application. So the both addresses I will provide in the video description. Please go through it. So after that, details for advanced ITT course and advanced ITT test. Whether completed advanced ITT course and advanced ITT test on or before exam starting date. So for May attempt it will be 1st May, and for November attempt it will be 1st November. You need to complete the advanced ITT course and test. So I have completed the course and test, so I am selecting yes. And in case if you are not completed, you need to satisfy any one of these. So I am completed the advanced ITT course and test, so I am selecting yes. And after that click on it. And after that details for determining eligibility. So how you are eligible to write the CA final examination, you need to select it. So I am selecting intermediate. So I have completed my articleship, so I am selecting the first option, completed or completing 3 years of articleship training. So in case if you are serving the last 6 months, you need to select second option. And after that scroll down. I am here selected as an intermediate, but I am not. Actually I am an IPCC student, so I need to select this one, IPCC, not intermediate. Intermediate means IPCC new course, and IPCC here means IPCC old course. So I need to select IPCC. So I selected. After that scroll down. Intermediate passing details. You need to enter your intermediate passing details here. So I filled the intermediate passing details. So I passed IPCC. So I need to select intermediate bracket IPC. So in case I intermediate new course, I have to select intermediate. So I am an IPCC student. So I selected intermediate bracket IPCC. Last appearance details of final exams. So in case if you are attempted any final attempts, enter the details of your attempt. So these are optional details, so I am not filling it. After that passing details of final. So in case if you passed any first group or second group, enter the details here. And after that exemption details. So in case if you got any exemption in previous attempts, you need to claim your exemption by entering the details over here. You need to enter the roll number as well as marks you got in the paper. So after that click on save and preview. So once you click on save and preview, the whole details you entered will show. So check all the details, and if you have any mistake, there will be back button. So click on it. You will be get back to this page and correct your mistake, and then click save and preview. And after that click on submit button. It will be redirect to the payment gateway, and once you paid the fee, it will be redirected to the home page. So I will be back after making the payment. So once you make the payment successfully, you will be redirected to the dashboard here. So once you come to the dashboard, beside the apply online for final new, the download PDF option will appear. From that option you can download the submitted application. So this is all the process of how to file ICAI CA final examination form. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel FinCourse. Thank you.